Hello student, welcome to Mac Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the Macon Limited. What was the process of selection, how you can go for that particular project, and what was the position offered by Macon. All these things we will discuss in this video, so you need to stay at the end of the video. And if you have any query, do mention in comment box, and if you want one-to-one interaction, do join our Telegram channel. The link of Telegram channel is given in a description box. So let's begin with the videos. As you are aware of that, Macon is also the PSU which is come under the Ministry of Steel. Now they have released the online application for the post of assistant manager, which is applicable for the fresher candidate and few other experienced candidate, and also eligible for the few of the post. So all these things we will discuss in this video. So going ahead with the date, the opening date for the submission of online application was 26th of November, that is Friday, and closing date for the submission of online application is 25th of December, that is Saturday. So going ahead with the vacancies, then total vacancies for this particular unreserved candidate was 9, SC was 1, ST was 1, 4 for OBC and 2 for EWS. These posts are considered with a different discipline, and for the mechanical engineering there are mechanical LDP project. There is one post and it is came in under the even grade category, even though also assistant manager for the civil, similarly for the assistant manager for the architecture and other different branches is also there. If you belonging to that particular branch, you can also fill with respect to your branches. So going ahead with the minimum qualification for the post of mechanical, degree in mechanical engineering and fresher can also be applied for the even grade. So the post was that assistant manager in the mechanical in LDP project, post code was 05. So if you belonging to that particular category, then you need to fill that particular form which is mentioned in post code 5. Going ahead with the next, what was the grade pay and pay scale. So for the even grade, 20,000, around 20,600 to 46,500 is having a pre-revised basic pay, and these has been implemented on going on a further year. And so going ahead with the selection process, so next selection process they have mentioned that the mode of selection shall be only for the personal interview, and the mode of selection may be changed if required at the discrimination of management. And they have also mentioned few more points related to that. Before applying to the candidate, to ensure that fulfill the eligibility criteria, candidate will subject to the verification details as well as document when the candidate is board for the interview if shortlisted or any stage of recruitment process. So if you suppose you have filled the wrong information and at the time of interview and you found that the post which you have applied is not eligible for that particular document related things, then you may reject that particular stage. So make sure that you need to fulfill the criteria before filling the form. They have also mentioned that for the personal interview list of candidate who is provisionally shortlisted for the interview need to be uploaded on a Macon website, and they will give the date along with the address where you need to go for the interview process. So going ahead with the upper age limit for different category, for the even grade you need to have a maximum 30 years, and also for the different grade of E2 E3 they have also mentioned the age as well. But as you are fresher, you belonging to even grade, then you are come under the age of 30 years. For the other relaxation of candidate like OBC, there are total 3 years of relaxation, 5 years of relaxation for the SC/ST, and similarly for the PWD candidate who are having under the disability condition. And also they have mentioned that the cutoff date for the deciding the age as well as work experience shall be date of advertisement. So as per the advertisement date, you need to fulfill all the criteria. If you not, then do not fill it. And for the final year candidate, if your document are available within this date, then you are able to fill, otherwise not. Indirectly you are not able to fill that particular form. Going ahead with the application fee, the candidate belonging to general, OBC, which is non-criminal, and EWS category are required to pay a non-refundable fee of 1,000 rupees. And for the SC, ST and PWD and ex-serviceman category are internal. Along with that, there are some category which are reserved. In that situation, you are not pay any fee to the Macon. And going ahead with the, they have also mentioned one more method. The payment has only accepted with the online mode. Other than that, you are not allowed to pay it. If you need any further information, do mention in comment box, and if you have any type of query, you can also ask in Telegram group as well. I'll mention the Telegram group in a description box. So if you like our videos, definitely subscribe to our channel, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.